The new Qashqai exudes a sharp and modern dynamism thanks to its refreshed design. The front grille of the Qashqai has been comprehensively updated to create a more striking first impression. Inspired by the patterns of ancient Japanese armor scales, it now consists of dozens of high-gloss, three-dimensional comma-shaped elements painted in high-gloss black paint which appear to float in the space between the lip of the bonnet and the number plate holder. To the sides of the central portion, the commas form a triangular shape from the new headlights down to a point to the side of the number plate, and they are finished in a satin chrome hot foil stamp on the top grade version. The flanks of the bumper are body-colored and a strip of black in a high-gloss finish runs below the number plate to the lower corners of the bumper. Underneath the cooling aperture, there is a thin body-colored chin strap, which gives a sense of definition to the front. The new headlights bring a sense of purpose and presence with an even sharper look. It now features an adaptive high-beam module complemented by a smaller unit for wider beam distribution, useful for increased visibility in low-light conditions and fog. Below the main lens, the daytime running lights consist of 5 small lenses which are the same shape as the commas of the main grille. The daytime running lights now encircle the main headlight lens, joining with the thin light above the headlight which is similar to the unit on the previous iteration of Qashqai, but it now has an illuminated Nissan on its outboard edge. The upper daytime running light element becomes the turn indicator when activated and, for the first time, features sequential turning lights according to the grade. At the rear, the shape of the lights remains unchanged but the composition of the lights within the unit has been redesigned. The red lighting elements now consist of 4 individual elements which echo the shape of the front grille commas. They appear to float in the lens housing and are now a distinctive shade of red, known as a super red, and bring a sense of elevated precision. The lenses are now clear, to allow a better view of the lighting elements. The thin boomerang lighting element that frames the upper side of the light unit continues through the tail light and now features the dynamic indicator signal. The bumper has been reshaped and now features harmonized color, either gloss black on the higher grade versions or body colored on the new N-Design grade. Likewise, when viewed in profile, the updated Qashqai on the higher grades benefits from a new gloss black finish on the body beneath the doors and wheel arches. A new 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheel is now standard on the mid-grade Qashqai. For the higher grades, there is a new 19-inch alloy and a new 20 diamond-cut alloy wheel design. This range of striking wheels gives one of the widest range of wheels in the segment, adding an extra dimension to the Qashqai's eye-catching design refresh. For the upper grades, there is a new application of Alcantara on the dashboard, door inserts, door armrests, center storage console lid, and even the knee pads, all combined to elevate the onboard ambience. New patterned materials adorn the center console around the gear selector and the decoration insert between the upper dashboard and glove box, underlining the attention to detail which underpins Japanese craftsmanship. Updated seat trims have been introduced across the upper 3 grades of Qashqai for an even more premium feel. Most notable is the black partially quilted premium leather on the top spec Qashqai. On the penultimate grade, there's a quilted synthetic leather which is complemented by burnt umber flashes on the seat base and shoulders of the seat upright. The seats on the N-Design grade feature black leather with quilting and Alcantara inserts, while specific embossed Qashqai wordmark adorns the section just below the headrest. Another new dimension to the elevated life on board feeling is the addition of ambient lighting on the N-Connecta N-Design grades and above.